Hi, last week our experts were giving a workshop on estate planning and got a great question when it comes to giving assets to your kids. And let's say you have 2 kids, 3 kids, 4 kids, you own property, you have stocks, bonds, and cash. Should you give assets to your kids on a percentage basis or in terms of a dollar amount? With those different type of assets, there's big implications, so make sure you make that right decision. And then also, our experts were talking about when you give assets to kids, should you give them the assets directly or should you put it in a trust that you set up during your lifetime and give it to them that way? There's asset protection implications there that are beneficial. So look into those 2 issues, really important. And if you look up here or down below in the summary and subscribe to our YouTube channel, we've got great videos with our experts that address these very issues. So hope you can check that out. Thanks so much.